Enchebushia with the breaking news. Abu Trica ababontin finally wabe kasa nientia oni yoko any FBI enya asem ena afa komponso no nientia chese mo be che no e woni fie one ne namfofo mienu na chese na omu wo fie no. Abushia ensempi ena ekoso e wo social media aha authentic plus studios. Make sure so be like you subscribe na wa share ama fofo so enya bi ahwe. It was on the 11th of December 2025 and I just say FBI through Iyoko ako arresti Abu Trica ono ankasa ni fie e wa Accra ase na ebu se mo be kai sa asem we ba e kwampo na manfo bebre e be kasa for some months na Abu Trica e da cells a chese omo processing the case a omo se omo de ne omo extradite no e de na ko US na ebusia mo be kan say some few days ago na chese ba abonti say si yama Abu Trica bail ama sesende obetina fie na wa court se na be ya asem no o metimi o bebi a chese o mo de beto na no na nda Abu Trica ekopie mu e wo onua TV one Captain Smart na chese o mo twetwe nkomo na Captain Smart ebisa ne say Abu ya chese yesi woni FBI eni Yoko e wo asem e ba ne say die na si ye enti eno na chese Abu Trica ebie mu ka say in fact it was on the 11th of December 2025 no ne boys etifie ena omote se obi noke omukwohwe no first na ye cyber crime for ena chese bae afedi anche bia no muhu se ada security service omo ba adan a yes say like he is involved in money laundering and wunki kan bebre
asam no heden maybe to makanka nanko details or then no before
I think 11 December anapa sorry my name boys ya hohoni ya na ya tese omo no ki apartment gate no no kina gonna cyber yakobi ya na cyber crime for national security for na narcotics for no e brain on mobile so we no kita warrant we say I'm into cyber fraud and money laundering. You know, I want to come shock say no so you know mama akonya say o mbe search room home ni nya na me ne boys na so nti ho na me see o sadi o me friend lawyer na see me kase like one me start say me kase one me friend lawyer no na I say ebufu ba omudina ise u da mention e kakra search no e kakra na nti boys ne allow mo was search bibia o search e wonia
e wo inswedro
e wo airport residential castle apartment one
okay
yeah nti o search bibia e wonia we no na I think o TikTok skabi picture bia like skabi wo mo no bisa skabi e wen TikTok, I mean TikTok one I be fake account fake me need TikTok app kwa on phone so me na dey you know sky out dey me obi post here na time post here year post here nti no so no believe this is scanner e na e ho nti no me nkyere no
TikTok sikano
e wo dey mu nti no me nkyere omo I mean, say, Scabia and the home, you know, me to me, Cassabia was.
That's all was such a home. So,
was such a home, apartment, ceiling, young cassette, when was setting in your corner. Let me demand this, my friend lawyer. It's a do me because the car lawyer, some car, no money and took her. Narcotics for no money and took her.
No, NHS Abu Trica, such a mukase. In fact, Nientia. Omo be search ni fie ene say yes say mo be kai pa say video bi beto abonte na chese Abu Trica na chese o yi sika bundles of bundles in fact millions of cedis a chese na amanfo e ka say we dey Abu Trica o sika yes ha video no na no ene chese Abu Trica echi mu say it was because of sa video na chese na o yi sika no eno chese sa video no ekoto TikTok
you know I want to make say o me woni apartment or home no mentre apartment a media wo no nko search e bi aska ne wo ho abi woni apartment wo ho be rent ye keke na me dem o so mantre ne dia obe search apartment building near rooms near obe search so o search no so na hanko guminsa me boys near guichi na ampasoma kase we bia ahana bia ye me dia na sese no o search almost search apartment rooms ni nia almost search ho ni
so mu TikTok ska no
wo ma hu hwe champion wo ma hu hwe ska bia ni o man you was search ho ni nia ko no na me bi sese o wo ma me family lawyer me ka lawyer ko na wo mo ni me ye ntokwa ntire me hu se serious nkofo wokusise max awo na ye wo no kwana mo police for ba cybercrime for ba na wo mu ba ntira isa ye yim hihye asa ka dia ye serious ti me boy ba kokwa no na osukura o fa lawyer ma no so na ye mfre na te bi du na ye ka lawyer asem na no mo ni ye ntoka ntini egbeja ye ni na no to you akwa we video bi am demand lawyer kwa na o man fe ma me ba video no mu ka call out I think I call viral ni ntino sa o me hu sika na wo ka no even one city kwa o nti wo mu wie ye no I think almost starting 9 a ye wie almost around in brain 9 to 10 ni mu no ni nya na hanko gumensa
dabi o asebe na aka no almost start search na no panaya anajo 9 no mo search the whole apartment baby ankofo da yina aname na menti ade na say okay we dey to aso
is when we ya na ya call a basement o na we say cars no na ga na just say cars you know e cars ameton they are all selling cars you know we are so be ya yan fa keys ninja reception ona honest ne ba na I think honest apartment so no ka catch us say cars ameton say movie like any time and you kwa na ya me dey begu o you know almost say maybe I'm a corner say me feel and I'm me the cars na bo mo the cars na me dey back na omo tam cars no na call na quarters control omo headquarters one omo le me question
I say na dey me question I can't say for
enti sa video no e na chesa Trica echemu a o ka say sa video no ni me kwa e fa so a chese e kodru eye TikTok enti sa video na chese eye cybercrime for any yoko for hwe so aye say or you involved in money laundering enti no omo be search ni fie e poset baby ni basement baby
I think ko TikTok scabi picture be like scabi one of business scabi when scabi TikTok I mean TikTok one akabi o ni aye fake account o ni aye fake me need TikTok app kwa on phone so me you na this no sky out there na me obi o post here na time o post here year o post here nti no so no believe this is scanner e wo na e ho nti no me nkyere no
TikTok sikano
e wo dey mu nti no me nkyere wo mo I say o me skabi anda ho nti no me ntumi kase bia wo
na so o search ho so
o search ho mo
TikTok sikano
apartment ceiling ya mo ko search o me wo search ni nya ko no na me demand say wo ma me friend lawyer nti be dum bibi ko no na me ka lawyer asem ko no mo ni me antoka na court is for no o mo ni me antoka you know I want to make say o me woni apartment o ho nti no me nkyere apartment eye media wo no ko search e bi aska ne wo ho I mean woni apartment o ho be rent ye ke na me dem o say o man nkyere ne dia o be search apartment building near rooms near o be search so o search no so na hanko gumensa me boys near guichi na o ampasoma kase o we bia ahana bia ye me dia na sese no o search almost search apartment rooms ni nia o search ho ni
so mu TikTok skano
o me hu hwe champion o me hu hwe ska bia ni o man you was search ho ni nia ko no na me bi sese o mo ma me family lawyer be ka lawyer ko na mo ni me ye ntokwa ntire me hu se serious nkofo wokusise max awo na ye wo no kwana mo police for ba cybercrime for ba na wo mu ba ntina isa ye yim hihye asa ka dia ye serious ti me boy ba kokwa no na osukura o fa lawyer ma no so na yen friend na te bi ko na ya kalo ya asem na no mu ni yen toka nti na egbeja ye ne na no to wa kwa we video bi a me demand lawyer kwa na o man fe ma me a ba video no mu kwa call out I think I call viral ni nti no sao o me hu sika na wo ka no even one city kwa o nti mo mu wie ye no I think almost starting 9 a ye wie almost around in brain 9 to 10 you know ni nya na hanko gumensa
dabi o aseme na aka no almost start search na no panda ya anajo 9 no mo search the whole apartment baby ankofo da yina aname na menti ade na se okay we dey to aso
is when we ya na ya call a basement o na we say cars no na ga na just say cars no e cars ameton they are all selling cars you know we are so mo be ya yan fa keys ninja reception ona owners ne ba na I think owners apartment so no kwa catch us say cars ameton say movie like any time and you kwa na ya me dey begu you know almost say maybe I'm a corner say me feel and I'm the cars na bo mo the cars na me na me dey back na omo tam cars no na call na quarters control omo headquarters one omo le me ko shame
I say na dey me ko shame I can't say for it's how long
because so I think we do almost 1 month 2 weeks 1 month 3 weeks or
yeah the work of court
no yeah na court say go back and forth
okay na fe then Emmanuel edu ba no omo ye then na fe ombenya odin
okay the search warrant no I think my passport or I know na omo my passport na the passport my dinner was referred to me and omo
ti ebo charge Emmanuel edu ba wa bra na ondi Emmanuel edu ba aseche an se be hu passport din e wo masa Ghana pa de over we o
eti abutrika etwe musa e ka se Samuel dia asem no eda so o court ache se omo hwe enim se omo betime yi asem no efi court se na be ya hwe entimi nsi ene no abutrika krampo saka se in fact enam sa the same case we so e ma che se ono onkasa ni sister ofamu ewuye because na che se asem no tete no eti abushia we ene se ma che se abutrika dia aboti when is some abutrika dia beto abontia ochimu say this is the reason why ntia iyoko and afensu no FBI for ebe arresting authentic plus studios making sure so be like you subscribe you and share am afofo so nya bi ahwe